Rug Doctor are a world leader in carpet cleaning. Our machines are easy to use and great value. We understand that accidents can happen. This is why we've developed the portable spot cleaner, ideal for families and pet owners. Moving it around is a breeze thanks to its lightweight design and carpet-friendly wheels. There's even an exclusive motorised hand tool that tackles stubborn carpet stains quickly and easily. Our deep carpet cleaner is award-winning and features unique technology. Your carpets will look plush and smell fresh in no time. Using powerful dual-cross brushes, this machine cleans your carpet in just one pass. These brushes clean, groom and polish from every angle. If your carpets harbour stubborn stains, then try our Super Boost spray. This feature is best for cleaning high-traffic areas, such as doorways and hallways. The Rug Doctor X3 features innovative technology to transform your old, tired-looking carpets. Remove embedded dirt and grease easily with its effective one-pass cleaning system. Hiring professional carpet cleaners can cost hundreds of pounds. Buy the X3 carpet cleaner and you'll get professional results without the high costs, at a time that suits you. You don't need to worry about storage, as it folds away into a neat, easy-to-store machine. Keep your carpets clean for years to come with a Rug Doctor machine. Visit www.rugdoctor.co.uk.